Hello YouTube, Sharp Dressed Man here. You may have seen in my contest entries yesterday we had a winter storm and it's really set in. Wasn't expecting it, so thought I'd show you it. This is Magnolia, Massachusetts. Now, normally there's a good 100 feet of beach where this water is. It's easily a bigger storm surge than when Hurricane Sandy hit, which I know was really bad for New Jersey, but we didn't get it that bad up here. We had people out surfing in it, but this right here is quite the storm. We've got some of our coastal roads are flooded. It's quite the storm. Alright, got this dock out here. So normally at high tide the water is good 8 feet beneath the surface of that dock, but we've got waves crashing over it right now. And it used to have railing that went all the way out to the end, but that is torn up. This is a big storm hitting us right now. More of the storm. I know you can't see it, and honestly I can't see it either, but a few hundred feet off the shore right here there's an island, a decent sized one. Usually you can see it pretty good, but visibility is very, very short. Got a bitter cold wind coming off the sea right now. I hope everyone's safe. In its own right, the storm is rather beautiful. is a huge storm. I'm standing on the road right now, and the water's only 8 or 10 feet away. A wicked high storm surge here.